Hi and welcome to Veurink's RV Center. We've been family owned and operated since 1954. My name is Parker and today I'm going to give you a walkthrough video of the Aspen Trail 2880 RKS from Dutchmen RV. We are the dealer for this trailer. We are not the manufacturer. If you currently own an RV that you're interested in trading in and seeing some numbers on, please give us a call. We'd love to do a full evaluation for you and tell you what you're looking at as far as monthly payments on a new one. If you have any questions throughout the entire video, my number will be at the bottom of the screen. Be more than happy to answer any of those for you. Let's take a look at this great trailer. This 2880 RKS floor plan is absolutely phenomenal. It's going to feature a lot of seating, a really nice kitchen in the back, and just a nice home feel for you too. Weighing in at 6,500 pounds, it's easily towable by any of your trucks and larger SUVs. Let's take a look at the living room here first. In our super slide, we're going to have our couch and dinette, really spacious couch, enough for 2 to 3 people there, and easy viewing of the TV. Storage above, full cabinets there. A lot of lighting you're going to notice in this Aspen Trail as we're walking through, and you're going to notice a lot of windows as well, especially for being a rear kitchen. You're going to have a lot of natural light coming in here. Your spacious dinette here can easily seat 4 adults. Again, another large window there with just a lot of natural light. Those do slide open too, so you can get some nice ventilation through. This is really the focal point of this floor plan. Down below here, you're going to have a stainless steel oven, a lot of storage there, a nice little shelf where you can set some of your cleaning supplies and whatnot. And then drawers here. One thing you're not seeing a whole lot in today's RVs is drawers. So it's nice to see that they give you 3 large drawers here. Making our way to the back, you're gonna find your stainless steel microwave here as well. And even more storage all the way across. Down below, you're gonna have just a ton of countertop space. A really nice sink here as well with a solid sink cover and your farm style sink, wide open with that nice high-rise faucet. One thing I like that they do in this floor plan, I mentioned the windows already, but they do a nice large window here. So let's say you bring the grandkids with you or something like that and they're out playing underneath the awning, you're in here just putting stuff in the sink, you can kind of keep an eye on them and stuff. But again, just more natural light too. Back here in the living room area, you're gonna have your 2 chairs, easy viewing of the TV. Again, a lot of seating. If you're visiting with some old friends or you bring some family with you, you guys can sit down and have a conversation if it's a rainy day and whatnot. A nice little shelf here to set some of your books, tablets, phones, and an outlet there as well. Next to your probably the biggest window in this floor plan here. Again, just a lot of natural light and more storage here up top as well. Moving on to the entertainment center, easily visible from the entire trailer up front here. Whether you're in the chairs, you're in the dinette, or you're on the couch, everybody can see the TV. You do have your AM, FM, Bluetooth radio here as well. You can hook up your phone, tablet if you want to play some music. You will have outside speakers too, and storage above and below here too. Moving on up towards the front of the trailer here, I want to show you the bathroom and the master bedroom. Before we step into the bathroom, I want to show you the location for your digital thermostat to control your AC and furnace. Nice and bright, easy to see and easy to use as well. Stepping on into the bathroom here, you're going to notice a lot of space, a lot of storage as there's storage below the sink and above the sink. A little medicine cabinet back there behind the mirror. You're gonna have a spacious radius shower with a skylight above to give you some extra headroom and some more natural light too. As we make our way towards the master bedroom, you're gonna notice there's 2 different access points to the bathroom, one from the hallway and one from the master bedroom here. You're gonna have pocket doors to close off the bedroom from the hallway and the bathroom. Very easy to use, a little bit nicer than doing the residentials in this kind of tight space here. The Aspen Trail's master bedrooms are one of my favorites in the industry for a couple different reasons. One, the headroom. You have 82-inch interior heights in your Aspen Trail throughout the entire trailer. They give you just an overall spacious bedroom here while giving you a residential 60 by 80 queen size bed. So it's gonna be a little longer than your RV queen, which is 60 by 75 residential. If you have a mattress at home that you like, or you already have sheets at home for a queen, you don't have to go out and get more. You can put them on in here. His and her wardrobes with mirrors along the sides, his and her reading lights as well. One of my other favorite things with Aspen Trails is what they do on the right side closet. If you want to scan over there, you're going to notice a little cutout board down below there. What a lot of customers will actually use that for is a laundry chute, as that little piece will just lift out. Put a laundry basket down there, throw your dirty clothes down there, out of sight, out of mind. A nice little thing that Aspen Trail is kind of thinking about the customer on. So nightstands on both sides with outlets too, and opposing windows for some nice cross ventilation and some more natural light too. All right guys, on the exterior here of the Aspen Trail, you're gonna notice this humongous power awning with an LED light strip underneath it, just giving you a huge patio space here for all those activities you want to do outside. If you want to set up some picnic tables, have some lunch, dinner, whatnot, plenty of space out here to do all that. Your entry door is going to feature a large assist grab handle, very easy to get in and out of if you got your hands full, or for the little ones too. Easy enough to fold over, kind of secures that door when you're in transit and whatnot as well. Triple step entry, again, making it easy to get in and out of the trailer. Moving towards the front of the coach here, I want to show you the pass-through storage. This is something that Aspen Trail does really, really well with. It's going to be one of the largest pass-through storages that you're going to see really in the travel trailer industry. Plenty of room in there for everything you're going to be taking with you, with an LED light there as well, so it makes it easy to see. All your Aspen Trails are going to be solar prepped, so if you'd like to plug a solar panel in, help trickle charge that battery if you're doing some dry camping and don't have access to power, that trickle charge will just charge your battery. It won't necessarily let you run everything off it, but so that's a nice little feature there too for some of you rustic campers. Moving towards the front, one thing I want to talk about is the aluminum exterior on the Aspen Trail. It's a little bit different than most manufacturers out there. Some manufacturers are going to do a thicker aluminum front, kind of help protect from rocks, debris, and stuff like that, and just hold up a little better. Aspen Trail does a thicker aluminum all the way around on every side of the trailer. So for more information on that, please give me a call. I'd love to go over all that with you as well. 2 propane tanks here, 2 20-pounders, and your spot for your battery that will go back there as well. We take care of you here at Veurink's RV Center as far as the propane tanks and your battery and some of those other things that dealers are going to hit you for a fee on. Give me a call on that stuff too. I'd love to go over that. Moving on the side here, you're going to have your other baggage door. One thing I want to point out about this is the size of this baggage door. A lot of trailers out there, you're going to see the door side door be bigger and then the off door side here be smaller. Well, Aspen Trail does it differently, and they do the same size door on each side. That way, if some of your bigger items shift around while you're towing it to your campground and they get stuck on this side and you got to get them back to the other side, it just makes it a lot easier, so you don't have to worry about that and you don't have to strategize as much when you're packing up your trailer. So moving on to the back here is where you're going to find your power cord, which is already implemented in your trailer, so you don't have to worry about unplugging it, plugging it in. It's all set there. Just pull it out, plug it in, and you're good to go. Your cable hookup here, if you're gonna do that at the park as well. And moving towards the back, you're gonna have your city water hookup, outside shower on all your Aspen Trails with a hot and cold option. You are backup camera prepped on all of your Aspen Trails as well. If you'd like to put a backup camera system on there, it's really cool. It's a little different than your typical backup camera system. So if you have questions on that or would like more information, please give me a call. This one in particular that we're doing the video on does have a spare tire with it. Not all of ours will have spare tires. So if you're looking at one on the website, please call us to confirm that yours does have that with it. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch my walkthrough video of the 2880 RKS Aspen Trail from Dutchmen RV. Again, my name is Parker. If you have any questions about the trailer, maybe what your trade is worth, what you're looking at monthly payment on something like this, please feel free to give me a call. You can reach me at 616-965-9605. If you found this video helpful, please visit our Facebook page and our YouTube channel, subscribe and hit like. Leave us a comment and let us know how we're doing. Thanks, guys.